The number one skill every business owner needs is to master delegation. You see, without it, tasks will start to pile up, deadlines will slip, revenue stalls, and instead of running your business is running you. And that's no way to run a business. So let me share a quick story of a client of mine who was drowning. His company was growing, but he was working longer hours than ever. And really, the poor delegation cost him thousands of dollars and countless of wasted hours. He actually told me it's just faster to do it myself. Does that sound familiar? See, he was making the number one mistake I see every day with business owners. He was delegating tasks instead of outcomes. Task creates dependency. Outcomes creates independence. And there's a difference. So let me give you an example. So for a task might be send follow-up emails, where an outcome is ensure every webinar attendee gets our offers and schedules a call with us. When he shifted to delegating outcomes, his team started to step up. They took ownership and finally gave him the space to start to focus on growth and start focusing on running his business instead of letting his business run him. If you want your team to deliver results instead of just completing a checklist, here's how. First, delegate outcomes. Tell your team why something matters, not just what needs doing, but what they need to accomplish. See that, and then really the second one, I think this one's really the most important, is follow the 70% rule. If they can do a task 70% as well as you, let it go. Perfectionism stalls growth in your business. And then finally, schedule regular check-ins. Avoid micromanaging, but set strategic milestones instead. See, when you delegate effectively, your business grows faster, runs smoother, and relies less on you. So I'm business coach Steve Goranson. I've helped hundreds of business owners break free from the daily grind. And if you're ready to master delegation and scale your business without burnout, I'm offering a 2-week free business coaching experience. It starts with a no pressure discovery call. So go ahead, click on the link, learn more, and schedule your discovery call with me. See if this makes sense for you, because your business deserves it, and so do you.